When we talk about AI, it is all about the digital concept. But what if I tell you that there does exist a physical form of AI? How is that? Here that you can see on my right and left. But first, let us talk about this quadruped that you can call it as as a physical AI, or for that matter as an AI robot for that matter, which will simplify the human work, the human effort which is required to monitor, or in fact to supervise the companies that are into manufacturing. But how it is done, how it will function, and how it will strengthen the work as far as the work of the manufacturing companies if they collab with this physical AI. So please, if you can first decode so as to how this entire quadruped that you have designed, the physical AI form, will be helping the manufacturing hubs.
So physical AI as a device, right? Those are a lot of AI compute on the edge. It can do a lot of safety, patrolling, additional use cases around all the safety aspects of it. So they are basically edge devices where AI is implemented on the edge. So autonomously this can navigate any path that we have given, and it can do certain tasks. So it will start from here autonomously, it will go up, do the inspection of the compressor, the reading the dial there. You will see the results on the screen also. And then it can raise alerts when there is a navigation issue. So whatever there is a camera on top of it, the LiDAR on that, LiDAR tells us the mapping, but the camera takes the pictures. That will we can see it here on what it is seeing. So right now it is doing the inspection of the dial there, this reading. So right now you can see that the pressure is low. It should not, it's not the ideal parameter, and it can actually detect and give you the ratings and everything here.
So then if the pressure is low, then what next?
It can identify that, okay, there are maybe 10 reasons for why the pressure is low. In this case, the gauge on the switchgear is default or is faulty, right? So that's what it has detected. It's going there and it is coming back, and then it's already reported the result.
It is. Can you just show once here that here is this the picture that it has captured?
It has captured there for the first one, and then the capture for the second one where it is found the defect.
And it is showing the low pressure and low voltage.
Low voltage, right? And it's raising an alert for it.
And it has also written that I am raising an alert for it. Low voltage might be a cause for it. So all these details.
This is the AI model that's built into that.